Good afternoon, everybody. Meteorologist Jeremy Eisenzoff talking some severe storms now moving through Greene County. Greenville saw some very strong winds recently in Greenville. This warning has been extended back into Washington County here. Looks like parts of Carter County out towards Elizabethton, but that does include Gray, Johnson City, back towards Unicoi County. So this is a rather large area under this warning. Anywhere within this blinking orange box is currently under that severe thunderstorm warning for these storms approaching. So we'll zoom on in, but these severe storm warnings continue through about 2 o'clock this afternoon. So probably another 45 to 55 minutes here. But again, that does include Unicoi, Irwin, Johnson City, Gray up to Kingsport, western Sullivan County, Scott County, all the way up in towards Wise County, and that does include Scott County and northern Lee County. So I'm going to step off the chroma key wall here and zoom in and focus in, but heads up here, we do have some widespread severe storms. Unfortunately, not surprised because we had some plenty of sunshine earlier today, and these storms are moving into a little more unstable air mass as discussed earlier today. But again, zooming on in, we're going to focus in on this storm initially in Greene County. And of course, we're also live on Facebook. For those who don't have a television screen, you can log in from your mobile device and you can watch us live on Facebook as well. Another great way to get these watches and warnings. But here we go. This is a look here, Walkertown, Tusculum, the Camp Creek. Again, this has had a history of producing some very, very strong winds. I'm going to put on here our velocity product. And this really gives us a good idea of where the leading edge of those strong winds are located. All right, so you can kind of see that reddish color here. We call this a bowing, where the strong winds come out of the storm, out of the head of the storm, and that's where we're going to see the potential for wind damage here. So I'm going to draw a line, and that's going to tell you where the strong lines, where the leading edge of that strong wind is located, just west of Telford. So heads up if you're in Telford, if you're in Jonesboro. Some strong winds all the way down to Camp Creek. Can't ignore the fact that Flag Pond, Irwin, you're going to catch in on some very intense winds as well, potential damaging winds. This looks like it's really the most intense part of the storm from Fall Branch, Telford, back towards Horse Creek. That's where radar is picking up the strongest wind coming out of this severe storm. So heads up, western areas of Washington County. All right, western areas of Washington County. And then as we move further to the north, the storm is not quite as intense, but still has the potential as it moves into northeast Tennessee and southwest Virginia, has the potential to continue to intensify. But this is pretty much where the strongest winds are located, right there into western Washington County. And based on what we've already seen, there has been a little wind damage just back on the western part of Greene County. We've had reports of some trees down. So again, these winds have the potential to produce some strong winds. Now, zooming in, we're going to focus in here on another part of the storm here. So obviously, this is a large area, kind of a complex of storms, and I'll draw a line around it, again, affecting a lot of folks here. And so this is all going to be heading north and east as we head through the next 30 minutes. I'm going to zoom in here to western areas of Sullivan County near Surgoinsville, Churchill. Looking at, of course, northern parts of Hawkins County within that severe storm warning. And again, that warning continues till about 2 o'clock this afternoon. You can see there's also the potential, anytime we talk about a severe storm, there's always the potential for some hail. All right, so these storms have the potential for producing hail, not just high winds, but also some hail, maybe some pea-sized hail just west of Surgoinsville. Always that possibility. Zooming on up towards northern Lee County. Of course, the storm is just past Jonesville and Blackwater. There's going to be some hail and high winds in that general vicinity as well. Looking up in towards Wise County and back into southeast Kentucky. Also looking at the potential for some hail. But really, it seems like the most significant part of the storm is now moving into western areas of Washington County. All right, so that's a look here overall. So again, we have that severe storm warning till 2 o'clock, and that does include a large area here in the Tri-Cities. Highlighted this blinking orange box if you're just now joining us on the air. That does include, again, still Greene County till 1:30. Washington County just been extended into Washington County till about 2 o'clock here. And that does include many areas, western Sullivan County back up and towards Scott County. Within that severe thunderstorm warning till about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This entire line has potential to produce some very intense winds, and definitely have seen that earlier this afternoon. Of course, we had some very intense winds. This is a live picture out of Greenville through our General Shale Skycam network, and we had some very, very intense winds coming through downtown Greenville just in the last 15 minutes or so. We've had a few reports of some trees down into western areas of Greene County. Other than that, I'm not seeing any other reports at this point. But again, watching this area, this line of severe storms that is going to be coming in towards the Tri-Cities within the hour. All right, within the hour. I'm going to go ahead and put in what we call our 1-hour stormcast, and this takes us into the future. All right, so there's the storms between Greenville and Telford, up to Fall Branch, back up towards Churchill, all the way up into areas of Letcher County there in southeast Kentucky. So over the next hour, you can see that these storms will be crossing over I-26 through the heart of the Tri-Cities and moving towards you in Bristol, Elizabethton, Hampton, Roan Mountain, between now and probably closer to 1:45 to 2 o'clock. So just about everyone here is going to see some impacts from this severe storm over the next hour. So again, if you're watching us from Abingdon, these storms hold together. They're going to be heading towards you in Abingdon probably by 2 o'clock. If you're watching us from Mountain City, it will be impacting you as well. All right, so we have a severe thunderstorm warning till 2 o'clock for this line of storms for Washington County up into western areas of Sullivan County, really the heart of Sullivan County, Scott County, all the way up to Wise County. And so if anything changes, of course, we're going to break it on the air. We're live on Facebook, having a little chat on Facebook, and of course, if anything does change, we'll break in. But for now, keep an eye. We'll continue to track these storms for you as we move along this afternoon. But some severe storms heading right on towards the Tri-Cities here in the next 20 to 30 minutes. And we'll break it on the air as needed. Until then, keep it right here for the latest severe weather updates.